Hey, we have a word problem here for a quadratic. It's the population of a culture of bacterium is given by the function p of t equals negative 1,718t squared plus 82,000t plus 10,000, where t is the time in hours since the culture started. Okay, so t goes in as terms of hours, and p comes out as the number of culture there is at that time. So question A says determine the time at which the population reaches a maximum. So maximum for a quadratic means basically vertex. So let's see if we can do that. So let's talk about the vertex. Sorry. Let's try that again. Vertex. Keep in mind that in this case we've got t, so that'll be t equals negative b over 2a. And in our quadratic up here, our b was 82,000, so we'll have negative 82,000 all over 2a, which is 2 times negative 1718. Now, in the problem up here, it says round to the nearest hour, so we're going to make this a whole number, but let's see what we get. 82,000 divided by, I'm going to use a parentheses, 2 times 1718. The two negatives will cancel out there. I get 23.86. So I'll round that off to 24 hours. So determine the time it takes the population to reach a maximum. It'll be 24 hours from when it starts. So basically there's some bacteria. They'll start, reproducing or spreading, however that works. They'll start to grow, and I think either some medicine will hit them or they will just run out of resources and then start to die off. So it goes up and then it goes down because of the quadratic here. Then part B says determine the maximum population at round to the nearest 1,000. So that would be the actual y part of it. So basically we're going to plug 24 in here. So negative 1718 times 24 squared plus 82,000 times 24 plus 10,000. And it says the round to the nearest 1,000. So let's see here. It's going to take a little bit of time here. 24 squared times negative 1718. Ooh, that's a big number. So I'm going to take it in steps just in case you need to follow along. Negative 898,568 plus 24 times 82,000 looks like 196,800. So that's about 2 million plus 10,000. So let's see. So I'm going to add these numbers together. And I get 988,432. And if I round that off to the nearest 1,000, that's 988,000, and I'll round down. So 24 hours, there are around 988,000 bacteria. Okay, so in this case, all we did was have to interpret the formula we were given.